Audio-visual installations not only give an advantage to the homeowners, but it's vital for schools and businesses. In this fast-paced world, the need for digital literacy is increasing and everyone needs to evolve with time. At AV Installs Limited, we have a great variety of audiovisual products. We provide home and commercial AV installation, interactive touchscreens, custom installation speakers, and more. Our company strives to exceed your expectations and bring solutions for home cinema to practical TV walls of any size and kind. Our skilled experts ensure that you have a high-quality AV solution from trusted manufacturers. Our techniques are innovative and we use advanced equipment and leading technologies to fulfill your demands. For more information, visit our website.